I'm Leanne and I was sent this 4-pack of 3-ring telescoping binders in exchange for my review, and I'm going to show you all about them. So one feature I really love is the clear pocket on the front. I can definitely categorize my bills, my recipes in different folders, and using this front clear pocket, I'll easily know which is which. It also has an accordion spine, so it's extremely thin, but as I fill it up with papers, which I'll show you in just a moment, this spine just starts to expand. I found loading these up to be very easy. You pull apart on the 3-ring metal binders to put in the paperwork. Once that's done, you can start to see that the spine will begin expanding. This is a cool clear pocket on the inside, and you can bend it completely back to lay it flat as you work. I think the lay flat feature and the fact that I can bend the spine completely around is one of my favorites. I'm going to insert the cover of my son's speech paperwork here so I know exactly what it is. I'm easily able to read and check off as I go. I think my favorite thing about these folders is how thin they are. It's not going to take up any extra space, and it's going to grow with me as I add or remove things from my notebook. So these are a cool product and I definitely recommend them.